Hey guys, it's Lane with Diamond C. I'm here with Jason from Priefert. Hey Jason, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hey, Priefert Steel, we supply you guys with a lot of steel. Really love partnering with Diamond C. I'm glad we're here and able to be right next to you guys so we can show off our products along with your products.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So for you guys, for Prieferts, how's the trade show been going?
It's been a good show. It's, I think, a little bit slower, but it's been real steady. Lots of people coming through and been a really good show for us.
That's awesome. I know, but there's some folks out there that may not. But what's the story behind Priefert? Could you give us a little bit of that?
You got it. Priefert, we are a ranch and rodeo company. Born and raised on ranch and rodeo. This is the cattle panels. This shows off a lot of what we do. From ranch and rodeo, we were able to branch out into the steel side of things, and it just made sense for us to grow into this trailer world with you guys, being right up the road from you guys, literally 5 minutes from you guys, and create a good partnership. So.
Oh, definitely. I think we all agree. What are do you guys have anything new, any new product lines, anything that you're working on coming up this year?
We do.
That you can talk about?
Yeah. A lot of the new stuff comes out whenever you guys push us to bring it out. So we really thrive on you guys and all the new stuff y'all bring out. But some exciting stuff. We have a new laser coming on board that should be up and running in about a month. That's really going to pick things up, and it's a bigger laser, 12,000 fiber laser instead of the 7K, and it's going to be really awesome.
That does. That sounds really cool. Is there anything, with our product or any models or anything that you could think of that you really enjoy, you think's pretty nice? What's out there?
Hey, Diamond C is known for their quality, and because of that, it gives us a good quality name as well. So all the trailers, I'm a big fan of Diamond C. I just got done talking with your owner and telling him how big a fan I was of you guys. I've known this family for a long time, being born and raised in Mount Pleasant myself. So anything I can do to help this company is really good.
Man, hey, that's great. We appreciate that. Great partner to have, and I think that we feel the same way about you guys. We're in Music City, man.
That's right.
Have you had a good time?
Could
you share a little bit of that with us?
Been a blast so far. I've never been to Nashville before, and so being able to walk out here and see all these live shows has been just awesome. There's one guy named Stony T. I'm going to go ahead and plug him. This guy was at a bar up the road the other day, and not the nicest name of the bar, so I'm not going to say that on your camera here, but the guy killed it, so I'm going to plug him. But on top of that, Nashville has just been so great to host all of this. I mean, this has really been a good venue. It's been just a neat place to be. I love these windows up top overlooking this show up here. I mean, it's one of my favorite venues we've been to so far. Okay.
Any kind of big plans going into 2022? Anything that you think's in your road ahead?
Growth. Just growth. We want to grow as big as we possibly can now that steel is, for us, starting to come in the door, loosen up a little bit. Supply chain was a little issue earlier in the year, but it's getting better. We're ready to grow, and so you guys grow, we'll grow, and we'll make it another win-win year next year.
I think we're all there. I think that's what we want to do and what we need to do for ourselves and for our end users, our customers. So, man, Jason, I appreciate your time. It's been a blast, and I hope I see you again today.
Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
You.